I look at my feet, I look at the windshield, and I think, I really miss my sister.
You don't like it?
No, it was alright. I watch the rain and I think, like, what the fuck?
Like, what the
I got a milkshake. It's not happening.
As time passes, I feel so low.
I'm looking at an
Searching for
elephant,
pieces,
cholo,
covering up the holes.
and
I'll
some.
fight for your love, I'll fight for your soul.
You ever think about yourself though? It's always, even if you live in shitty places, it's just temporary. It's always.
But deep down, I wanted you to
Rain on your windshield.
I'll still see you in my dreams. All the things that I did for you just wasn't it for you. So I'll be coasting on roller coaster,
and I'm smoking my weed.
Coasting, roller coasting. I'm hoping.
And I'm smoking my weed at the Hobby Lobby. I'm smoking my weed at the Hobby Lobby. Yeah.
I showed the proof, realizing you weren't worthy.
Looking at your cigarettes. I'm looking at your cigarettes, looking at the windshield, looking at my milkshake, thinking, what's going on?
I may not be over you, but I'll try inside. I'm feeling better now, finally feeling special now.
I'm smoking with your elephant. I'm smoking with your elephant. I'm smoking with your elephant. I'm smoking with your turtle and your we're in that hub. Sam Prince. Momo's got a smash.
My twin brother's name was Samuel.
Oh shit.
Ready?
Ready? I'm ready. Let's go.
All the pretty girls like Samuel. Oh, it really doesn't show. Though it's more than he can handle. Life is anything fair. Life is anything.
We're looking at the rain. There's a fucking seagull. I want a geocache right now.
Just as soon as they turn over, come and sweep them off their feet. It's only making me feel smaller.
We're gonna go in the store.
All the hidden love we need.
Sooner or fucking
Won't
later.
you lay me? Won't you lay me down? Won't you lay me?
Sorry, but I always want to smoke cigarettes. It's like,
Won't you lay me?
you know, I have OCD. There's a system for things. If you notice, when I wake up, I have a system for shit. Unless I'm depressed. When I'm depressed, you'll notice my room starts to get a mess. If my room ever gets a mess, it makes me very
That
concerned.
means your head's a mess.
Very concerned.
When your room's a mess, your head's a mess, and everyone knows this about you. When your room's a mess, your head's a mess, and yeah. No, this my hamburger. My hamburger in the fucking thingamajiggy. What are you? Oh. Sitting at Hobby Lobby, looking at seagulls. I'm listening to Momo's music
Dude, that
in the
guitar.
fucking rain.
Alright, let's go.
What happened? All the music's up. Momo blocked out the 3, 2, 1. I said, Momo, if you're in third gear, it's 30. Momo's like, watch what my car can do. I'll go into third gear. I'm like, dude, you're taking your transmission from 50 to 30. That's not good. And at 3 is 30, 2 is 20, 1 is 10.
That's why it always slows down.
Yeah, it slows if you're in this, like, if you're in, it's supposed to give you traction on the snow, but...
Are they gonna lift my car up when we go to get it inspected?
Yeah. They're gonna put it through the ringer.
I have the piece that's supposed to be changed back there, the back strut. I have that. I just needed one over there. But I could get that at Auto Parts or something.
We heard that shit.
Just put them
We heard it go when you turn.
But they won't know that.
They will. They put it up and they put it up and they go bada bing. They put your tires and every fucking shit. It's like they got your legs up, like a gynecological. Here we go. It's like they got your legs up and they fucking play with them a little bit. Like I don't know.
All right, let's go in here before they close.
They're not gonna close, but we're gonna go. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna stop being live.